Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with a show and tell video of a new kit. It's Grunge. It's a large kit. It's huge actually. This is just a promo sheet, and the kit has no name yet. And I'm going to do a little giveaway. So when you post a comment down this video with hashtag LDA name giveaway, and then you tell me which name the kit should have, I will be doing a drawing hopefully next week, if I'm not too sick or get COVID too, like the rest of my family has. Fingers crossed. But yeah, like I said, the kit is very large. I have written down on the back side of this page, this is just a promo sheet, how many pages are in. There are 25 pages in total, 14 journal pages and 11 pages with ephemera. And I counted the ephemera pieces, and there are 90 pieces included. So that's a lot to play with. And this is page number 1. And I have number 2 over here. I'm not going to count all the pages. The next page, a lot of blues, red tones, pinks, also browns. And there's actually one page that is in there 3 times because I couldn't decide which one to put in. And then I thought, well, I can put all the colors in, and you can decide which one you are going to use, or use it as a backing paper for your collages. And it's this page. I'm going to put it aside so you can see the different colors later. This is next page, one of my favorite pages, by the way. Yeah, I really like this paper. Some ledger. And this is also a page where I had some discussions about whether I should put in the original page also, or only this one, but I decided to put the second one in too, and I will leave it aside also. That's why the kit is huge, but you don't have to pay more, because usually my kits are around 20 pages, and if I add 2 or 3 pages extra, I'm not going to charge you more, so don't worry. One little backing page. This is also one of my favorite pages, so it's very grungy. This is the paper I also included. This is how it ended up, and this is where I started with. But I thought it would be nice to have this too, because if you cut around this, you have a butterfly page. I had those in my Bohemian kit too. I had 2 very colorful butterfly pages in it, and they are very cute to work with, so I included this one. This is one with a lot of lace and layerings and grungy, and even music paper. And here are a little bit of roses. Here's some music paper. Another pattern over here. There's a lot going on. This is the green version, the blue version, and the brown version. So you get 3 of the same pages. And I couldn't decide which one to put in, so I put them all in. Of course, the slanted pockets. Then you have smaller slanted pockets with stitch tags. Then you have very colorful manila size tags, 6 of them. Trifold tag, they are rather large. Postcards. Postcard backings actually. Journaling cards, and these are my favorites too, with the birdies and the flowers and the butterflies. Then you have them in stamp size over here, and a large envelope. These are bits and pieces to play with. I added a file folder. and these, you can use those separate or you can fold them together. You can cut these out and fold them together, make a booklet, and you can do the same with this, or you have two different tags, whatever you want. And I added this so you can include it in one of your collages or maybe on the front cover. And this is a mini size of two of the other pages, the one that I just showed you, this one and this one. So this one is included too. Like I said, 25 pages, 90 pieces of ephemera are included. It doesn't have a name, so if you want to give it a name, leave a comment down below. Hashtag LDA giveaway and give me the name. And also, while you're over there, please like this video if you like it. And if you're not a subscriber, maybe you want to subscribe to my channel. And I did show you the kit in a previous video already, but maybe it's better to do it again in a more quiet setting, because the other video was there was a lot going on. I also had a vintage purples kit listed. Oh, this one, sorry, is not listed yet, but this is the kit that the LineDotArrow design team members are going to be working with next month. So keep an eye on this. And also join the challenge, hashtag LDA giveaway and a name giveaway, sorry. And well, tell me the name you think this kit should have. Vintage Purples has, let me check, I don't know anymore. 24 pages, also a very large kit. Just going to show you quickly the pages. And there is also a vintage purple, not number one, but the first one. And you can combine these together, of course. But this one only is enough to make a journal. Because if you add your book pages, your coffee dyed papers, your ledgers, your other papers, the envelopes you're going to put in, your journal is already full. So you don't need to combine two kits, but you can. And this is absolutely one of my favorite pages. You have this one, and you have a file folder, some wordings, envelope, little book plates, flowers to cut out, trifold tag in some linen look, and this is definitely a favorite paper of mine. Journaling cards, slanted pockets, tags, book plates, large tag, smaller, large tag, small tag, and the minis, 2 pages on 1 page, like the wordings and the flowers, so you can use them on the tags or pockets or on the mini pieces you are working with. This one is already listed in my Etsy, Vintage Purple number 2, and it is on sale also with a 30% off at the moment. And I will link this kit down below too. The Grunge kit is not in my Etsy store yet because I don't have a name. So that's why I will be doing a name drawing very soon this week. I hope. Yeah, this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, maybe you want to be a subscriber. I also have a Facebook group where we have a lot of challenges going on. Weekly challenges, challenges with the kit. And we will be celebrating my 2nd year anniversary this month by playing bingo together. But there will be more about that in another video. Let's hope I don't get COVID, because I can't do the video then. Yeah, this is it.
Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay creative. I hope to see you next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.